Hi everyone, this is Kevin here, coming at you with my review of the Sports Mini Waterproof MP3 Player by Sewobye. So let's get started. So yes, I am reviewing an MP3 player in 2020, and what's really awesome about this device is that it is designed for swimmers specifically. So you can use this in the pool, and it's a great device to use to listen to your music and audiobooks without having to worry about it getting water damaged. But here is the packaging that it comes in. You can see there is the device right there. Here's some of the various features. So it supports MP3. You can shuffle your music. It is IPX8 waterproof. We're also getting IPX8 waterproof earbuds included and a clip. Then on the back, we have some of the other features that are included with this device. So actually, in addition to supporting MP3, it supports these other various audio formats. The device does feature 8 gigabytes of internal memory. With that, you're going to be getting 15 hours of music playback, and the device does work with both Mac and PC. But let's open this up and see what all we get in the box. So quite a few items are included here in the box. The first item, of course, is the actual unit itself, which we're going to take a closer look at in a little bit. We also get the user's manual for the device. Now, this is an interesting cable that I have not seen in a long time. This is a USB to 3.5 millimeter cable. So you will be using this to transfer files to the MP3 player itself. This cable is also used to charge the unit. We get waterproof headphones here, and we get a variety of different ear tip sizes. And then we also get a 3.5 millimeter extension cable if you do need to extend the length of the headphone cable. So you get everything that you need included in the box to be able to use this unit. Now, the actual design of the product is very simple. We have a volume up button, volume down, play, pause, and then back and forward. You can't see it right now because the lights are off, but you also get 3 LED indicator lights. Those LED indicator lights indicate the amount of charge that the device has. Then on the back, we do get this clip. Now, the idea here is that you clip this to your goggles while you're swimming, and you can see close up there, 8 gigabytes. And then we have the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, which of course is waterproof. And then we have the audio port here on the side. So now that I've shown you everything that's included in the box and given you a tour of the actual device itself, I'm now going to load some music on here and give it a try, and then submerge the device itself into the water. So I've had a chance to use the device for the last 20 minutes or so, and I feel like at this point I have a pretty good idea of what we're getting here, and overall I'm very happy with it. So I did use the included earbuds for a while, and of course if you do want to actually take this into the water, whether you're underwater up to 3 meters, or you're just in a pool environment, you're going to have to use these earbuds. You can't use any other ones. But I did try out the Apple earbuds, of course, the 3.5 millimeter earbuds from Apple with the device, and that worked really well as well. Now, the quality, I would say, from the Apple earbuds was better than the quality that I was able to get from these included earbuds, but you have to keep in mind that the waterproofing that you get with these might have something to do with the audio quality that you get from them. I'd imagine that they did have to seal off quite a few parts of the earbuds here so that they do work underwater. Now, most of the swimming that I do is typically done for fun, but I could see if you're training for some sort of swimming event, or maybe you're swimming laps for the sake of exercise, it could get a little bit boring after a while. So being able to listen to music while you're swimming or listening to an audiobook could really be a game changer. It's kind of like if you try to go jogging or running and you don't listen to music, that gets boring very quickly. And I'm sure you're aware that as soon as you start listening to music while you're jogging or running or an audiobook, it suddenly becomes a lot more fun. So the same thing applies to swimming here. So I'm really glad that this product does exist. And I think for people that spend a lot of time in the pool, this certainly will pay off for them. As far as the experience of transferring audio files from my computer to the device, it was really simple. I literally just had to plug the device into the computer and it pulls up just like a thumb drive. So I just drag and dropped those files onto here, and then I held down the play pause button to turn it on, and then immediately the audio started playing. So again, with a full charge, you're going to be able to get up to 16 hours of audio playback, and it takes about an hour and a half to fully charge the device from a depleted state. So to end off the video, I do want to do a test with dunking this in the water while I'm playing audio with the earbuds plugged in. So hopefully this goes smoothly. Obviously, if it doesn't, then that defeats the whole purpose of the device. So let's give it a try. So I'm going to dunk this in right now. And a little bit of a splash there. So there we go, it's in the water. I'm going to now put the earbuds on and see how this sounds. So it's completely underwater right now, and I am listening to the music through the earbuds, and everything sounds great. Absolutely no issues at all. It sounds just as clear as it would with the device outside of the water. So overall, I would say that this product is certainly a great option if you are looking for a waterproof MP3 player that can be paired up with waterproof headphones. I absolutely do recommend it. Even in 2020, I know that many people are wondering why MP3 players exist, but for this specific situation, I can certainly see why. So great job, Sewobye. And by the way, for everyone watching this video, if you do want to buy this product, it is currently retailing on their website for $59.99. It's available in a variety of different colors as well, so take a look at the link in the video description. But thanks for watching, everybody, and I will see you in the next video.